Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be doing a facial in front of you. अच्छा, मैं पहले फेशियल करूँ उससे पहले यार आप लोग मुझे ये बताओ कि कौन कौन मेरी तरह है जिनको ना फेशियल कराना मतलब कि सैलून में जाके पार्लर में जाके फेशियल कराने में बहुत आलस आता है। मुझे तो लिटरली बहुत आलस आता है, एज वेल एज ना बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है। जैसे कि आई एम अ मदर, तो बच्चों को घर पे छोड़ के फेशियल करने जाना कराने जाना इट्स लाइक अ टास्क। मतलब एक प्रॉपर एक टास्क होता है मेरी टू डू लिस्ट में कि हाँ मुझे फेशियल करा के आना है 1 से 1.5 घंटा। मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा आलस आता है। यस, मैं ये ज़रूर मानती हूँ कि बाहर जाके फेशियल कराने में इट्स लाइक बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत मतलब इट्स लाइक रिलैक्सिंग टाइम, बट थोड़ा सा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है। जैसे कि हर चीज़ के कुछ प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स होते हैं, ऐसे ही इस चीज़ के भी कुछ प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स है। अच्छा तो लगता है बाहर जाके कराना फेशियल, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है और मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए सीरियसली। जैसे कि ना मार्केट में आजकल बहुत सारी फेशियल किट्स अवेलेबल है। आप अपने मुताबिक अपने हिसाब से कभी भी जब आपका मन करे, जब आपके पास टाइम हो, आप फेशियल खुद से कर सकते हो। सो गाइज, मैं ना मार्केट में देखती रहती हूँ कि कोई भी न्यू फेशियल किट आती है न्यू ब्रांड की, तो मेरा बहुत मन करता है ट्राई करने का। सो टुडे आई एम गोना बी रिव्यूइंग दिस पिलग्रिम 24K गोल्ड फेशियल किट एंड आई हैव नेवर यूज दिस kit before. Okay, so this is the first time मैं ये kit use करूँगी and I am very excited to try this product because the product claims that it will remove all the dullness and will give you that golden glow. Your skin will become more radiant and will glow from within. So I am very excited to try this product. I will use this kit in front of you so that you guys can clearly see the difference on my skin. Okay, so firstly I will show you the product closely and then I will show you how to use it, and lastly I'll share my thoughts on this particular product. So let's just get started. This is how the product looks like and it comes in this gold cardboard packaging, and also you can see the instructions and all the details on the outer packaging itself. And when you open this, you will see 3 facial kit packaging, as it is a 5-step facial kit and you can do 3 facials. You will also get a mini gold serum which you have to apply it once your facial is done. And now it's time to try out this kit so that you guys can clearly see and decide if it's worth your money or not. So step 1 is the 24K gold cream cleanser, and all you have to do is gently massage this cream cleanser all over your dry face and neck with the help of your fingertips, and gently massage it, and then just you have to is rinse it off. Step 2 is gold scrub, and all you have to do is apply this scrub all over your face and then massage it gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. And then just rinse it off. And now next I am taking is massage cream, and this massage cream is enriched with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So you have to take sufficient amount of cream and apply it all over your face and neck and massage it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, you have to massage it for 10 to 15 minutes in an upward strokes. And then rinse it off. Now coming to step 4, this is my absolute favorite one, and this is the 24K gold facial mask, and you have to apply this face mask evenly on your face and neck. So after applying it, just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then you have to rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now coming to the last step, and this is 24K gold serum. Apply few drops of serum and gently pat it all over. This serum adds the perfect finishing touch for a golden glow. So this is how my skin looks now, and it looks much more brighter than it was before. So I'm quite impressed with this facial kit. Overall, it's a decent product and I will highly recommend it. Okay you guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. I also have a coupon code for you which I'll mention here on the screen in front of you, as well as I'll mention the same in the description box, so that if you use that coupon code you can get additional discount on your purchase. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also like the video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.